Wow. Wow. What's this? May uling. Uy, dalawang uling. We need some box. Got one more.
Yep.
Got a small one. Basura na. Basit. This one. Let's go. Just charcoal. Yeah, close that one. Let's go. Pasukin. This banana. Bato. Ang bigat. Ang bigat niya. Uy. May damit. Hinubad. You want this?
You go on the plane, you take that one on before you go somewhere sick.
Gamot.
You put this with water.
Ito mas gamot.
You'll store into that cream right there good. That one is fine.
This one.
That right there good too. That's what that lip balm. What is it? Lip balm?
This lip
Oh,
balm.
that's motion sickness for travel.
You know.
That's one you look for like that cream. I feel like you get some cut. Right there, yeah.
Yeah, I see. You got some box right there.
Let me check.
Yeah, give me some box. You got box over here. I got it. I got some box, babe. I got box. Got some soap.
Is that glass or this is thermal?
I don't know.
It's thermal. Okay.
It's old.
Oh,
Yeah. Uy, wow. Okay. Wag na yung gamot. Oh. Apple cider.
episode
Yeah.
gummies.
2025. What is this? Too heavy. Ang bigat. Wala. Basura. Butas na. Ayan. Wala pa gaanong tapon.
That box right there, the snack box, the blue box right there. Something in there? Oh, yeah. Let's go open it.
May drum dito. Let's go. Wala na. Okay, let's go. Ay. Mahirap lumabas. Ah. Dumpster time. Wow. Wow. Kaswerte. Kaswerte natin. Puno. Pasukin natin. Pasukin agad. Ah. May mga blanket. Maapakan ko na. Ayun. Ang ganda ng blanket. Ito natin ilagay. Okay. May isang bag dito oh. Headset. Aba, ganda. Bit-bitin na lang ito be. May pouch. Hold on, ito pa. Just put that one there. Bigat nito. What is this? Basura. Oh, this is only trash. Ziplock. Basura ng ata ito. Maganda to ah. Okay. Oh. I don't know if there's brand new. Oh, got one more. Okay. Basag. Basag din. Ano ito? Speaker. Oh, maybe it's work. Blanket. May upuan pa. Luma. I don't know if this is work. Inflatable chair. Uy, ang ganda niya. What's that? Ribbons. Uy, may mga deodorant. Deodorant, is it?
That's
Shampoo.
either soap, body soap, body wash. There's more for the lips today.
Got lipstick.
Isso na caneta.
Toys. Uy, nahulog na.
A whole bunch of it already.
Uy, wow.
It's on right here too, man.
Okay. It's so slippery. Uy, wow. Ito. What is this? What's this?
It's up
Ay,
So I think it's on one of this plastic.
okay. Ang init. Oh, let's bring the pan. Wala na. Uy, ganda ng phone case. Oh. I believe this is lotion.
Look like it. Face wash with fruit.
Okay. I need this one bag. This is cute. Look. Five Below. Bag. Okay, let's go. Wala na. B.O. pang fishing. Ah. Let's go. Oh.
Hello mga ka-subscribers! Kamusta po kayo? Hali tayo mag-shawararat and birthday greetings. If today's your birthday, happy birthday! More birthday to come. And welcome na rin po natin ang ating mga new subscribers. Welcome po sa aking channel. And shout out also sa ating mga silent viewers. Hello po! Kamusta po kayo? Shawararat to Nanay Flor Sarsora, watching from Zamboanga del Norte Province. Uy, ang layo. Shout out daw sa kanilang mag-asawa. Hello po, Nanay Flor. Kamusta po? Maraming salamat sa panunood niyong mag-asawa. Ang layo-layo na nang narating natin. Shawararat to Miss Chris Montero, Sherlyn Bongkal, Boyda, Evangeline Lasola, hello. Chloe Jane Aquino, Aiza Mariano, Lynn Albor, Edeline Ramos, hello, Marie Cris Entero Barongo, Giselle Manawis, Kate Emerald, Christina Infante, Sheila Fenes, Nanay Vilma Abrimatia, J.R. Ace, Michelle Francisco, Daisy Cavan, Enel Rod Breeze, hello. Salamat sa iyong patuloy na suporta. Thank you much. Nanay Jane Tabisola, Christine, hello po. Christine May Esteban, hello. Sabi niya, ang dami mo naman nakuhang puzzle book. By the way, ingat palagi. And God bless you. Salamat po. Same to you. Hello also to Eva Marie Domingo, Ina Yanig, Annalyn Banigued, Arlene Caballero, Maris Vivar, Miss Jessica Magbanwa, Ara Magistrado, kahit hindi pa siya nakapanood ng upload natin. Wala akong nakikitang comment ni Ara, pero naisip ko lang siya, kaya ko siya na-shout out. Maria Elizal Ripayo, hello po. Marky Van Fernandez, hello, hello. Leia Beludo, hello po. Concordea Galo, Shawararat, Jovil Morillo, Miss Nora Agpawa, Nashley, Anton Vivares, hello Abigail, watching from Riyadh. And hello also to Miss Japan. Layo nang narating natin. May Riyadh na, may Japan pa. Hello po Miss Japan, ingat-ingat. Hello also to Bernadette Tison, Nanay Bebe Francisco, Miss Lilibet Gaton, Amy Kumaingking, Nanay Mirna Gabayno, Miss Vivian Cortez, Daisy Manzano, May Colina, and Angelica Columa, Angelica Bibares, Emily Trafalgar, Miss Jocelyn Castro, Jikay Shawararat, Melissa Balais, Mr. Peter Salvador, Evelyn Rose Dayag, hello, hello. Miss Nene Elsie Sura, Shawararat. So, eto po mga ka-subscribers, ito yung ating nahalungkay. Konti lang, pang parcel lang ba? O, tingnan nyo to. Barko. Barko talaga. Momeng, gusto mo to, Momeng? May barko dito, size 8. Meron tayong cup, batteries, at marami tayong ganito. Ito po ay body wash. Ang bango nito, panlalaki. Maliit lang siya. So, parang ano to travel size. Ito po yung body wash ng Diyosawa ko. Ang bango nito, maniwala ka. Yan, medyo madami-dami naman tayong nahalbat. Ayun. So, bigyan natin ito ang mga solid followers natin na lalaki. Mr. Peter Salvador, Enzo Fernandez, Johnny Di Arco, Erwin Piring, sino pa? Mr. Mark Salvador. Ayan, diba? Tingnan nyo to, ang ganda, phone case. Ang cute. Parang gusto kong bumili ng bagong cellphone para magamit yung phone case, mabet? At tingnan nyo to. Maybelline. Aba, may pa Maybelline pa. Akin yung isa ha. Paggamit naman ng isa. At yung chismosang kapitbahay, nandito. Ang sama naman ang tingin na to. Pakibaba ng kilay, uy. At kinuha ko din po yung plastic bag ng Five Below. Ang ganda niya kasi. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Lalagyan ng parcel. Makapal yung plastic. Singkapal ng chismosang kapitbahay. Alam niyo naman tayo ay isang tunay na Pilipina. Masinop kahit plastic yan. Kahit plastic na kaibigan at tinatanggap. At meron din po tayong ganito, Ito po ay for pain at matagal pa siya. Tingnan nyo, 2026. Kaya lang parang dalawa lang ata itong nakuha natin. Dalawa nga lang. So yun, walay man iba. Ito, dalhin to ng asawa ko sa trabaho niya. Hihalo man to sa tubig. May sabon. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo, pandagdag parcel lang po ito Tapos, may candle dito. Asan na yung candle? Ang ganda. Ito. Taran! Tingnan nyo naman tong candle na to. Parang pag binigay ko to sa iyo, hindi mo siya sisindihan. Kasi kapag sinindihan mo siya, mawala na yung napakagandang design. Ang ganda-ganda niya. At mabango pa. So, yun lang mga ka-subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta. Abang-abang lang po dahil po ito ay pang parcel. Don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment. Mabets Let's Vlog. Bye! Have a good day. Uy, I forgot. May mga pala doon, blanket.